Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Ford F-150. With just over 25,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is a leading example of refined versatility in the full-size pickup segment. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 5-liter 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.